I'm going to take you through a very quick journey along by the river, a portion of the river Ram Ki Paidi. So we start with here. This is the Ahilya Bai Holkar Mandir. It is a private property. It is closed always. I've been here many times. Now I have to find out some local help to enter inside. This is a historic place, and Ahilya Bai Holkar herself is a very historic person. So we walk down these steps and let's begin our short walk. So that's the end point of Ram Ki Paidi. That's the road ahead, and this is the actual water channel. And along the left side of the water channel, we take this short walk. And of course, see the interesting places in between. Okay, articles of religious interest. Parrot, without the parrot, fortune teller. More articles. These are all articles of religious interest. That's the Gita Press, very famous. And this is a sitting area for this restaurant. So those who are fond of a view and chai can pick up a cup of tea over here. Don't bother about the taste of the tea, and then come and sit over here to enjoy this beautiful view. And especially more beautiful in the evening. The sun sets right in the front and all these lights are lit up. Talking about lights, there is another interesting thing ahead of us. There is one more restaurant. Oh my god, this is Maharashtra Bhavan. I did not know that. Okay, should check it out. So this is a restaurant over here which has got a sitting on top. So again, an interesting place to be. The second restaurant is over here. These two restaurants give you the basic fare, pure veg of course. Then there is one traffic barrier over here. These auto rickshaws which are standing over here, they take you to Hanuman Ghadi and all those places in that vicinity. Also traditionally known as Ramkot, but the word nobody uses any longer. So another shopkeeper selling religious items. Cloth shop, odd thing. Again, the same thing. A few snacks. So this is the continuation of Ram Ki Paidi. More roadside shops. There is one traffic barrier. I think they don't allow vehicles beyond this point. Security everywhere around. Person selling flowers. I'll tell you why. Now, of course, after the Ram Mandir and all these places, this place is the most significant and both historically and religiously, the most significant place in Ayodhya, Nageshwar Nath Mandir. Photography, as usual, is prohibited, so we can't go inside, but I'll show you the outside of the temple. There we go. Don't go by the looks of this. It is a very, very historic temple. This is this main entrance. And there is a side entrance over there. We go back. Many times during the daytime I have seen a havan going on over here. I don't know why today this place is less crowded, but yes, this place becomes very busy. So all these people are selling items which are offered to the Shivling. What's the significance of the shivling? Interesting. Here, this is the comedy going on. Yeah. This guy is in a hurry. So the series of ghats starts from here. This is ghat number 7, Mandavi. Stalls. And this new addition over here is the light and sound show. So as you can see, these must be the revolving lights. This is the curtains. This is the backdrop. And in evening, this must be spectacular. They have also installed some water fountains. And in the far distance, there are those huge projectors, at least 6 of them, which must be used for a movie. Yeah, that's the description of it. This is Shatrugna Ghat, that is the 4th brother in the line of succession. Next is Bharat Ghat. This is the front face which has been improved, but if you go inside, I'll just take you around. So all of a sudden you go into an ancient portion of the city. By the bricks you can see and narrow streets. This is definitely an old construction. An old wooden door. This particular ghat has not been given any name. Excuse. So all these lights and this thing would be transforming in the evening. This has just recently come up, maybe a couple of months back. Not even a couple of months, maybe a month back. So this is the next one, Shri Ram Ghat. Ghat number 3. This is ghat number 2, Vaidahi. Vaidahi is another name for Sita. Another thing which has been renovated. Some entertainment for the people. So people come and sit over here in the evening. They also come in the morning to enjoy this water. This water is not too deep, as you can see, just ankle deep. And then the final ghat, that is Lakshman Ghat. There's one more interesting thing which you guys should see. This is possibly the only structure which is visible in some old photographs. It is a mosque. I wish I could have gone closer, but this is going to be a short video. So if you see some old pictures of this place, this mosque is visible, and this complete area is barren with slopes. There are 2 bridges over here to cross over to the other side. Otherwise you can actually wade also. It's hardly ankle deep. This is the pumping station. You have the water pumped from the river directly coming over here. And this is the kind of force. That's it. We are at the end of our tour. And once you cross this place, there's still a lot of construction going on over here, which means more things are going to come up. So this is somewhere in towards mid of December, so that means by end of December all these additions should be complete. So yes, we have a chance to come here during the inaugural of Ram Mandir and see how exactly they have done up this place. This place is going to be a major tourist attraction, wherein they will have this light and sound show over here. Another one is at Suraj Kund. There also you have a lake and a light and sound show. And except for that, I don't think there is any other place like this. And this is quite an open ground. Now, there are two things I would like to cover. One is about civilizational memory. So this place is where in the evening you will find people come and they sleep over here on the banks, and then they get up in the morning and take their holy dip and they go home. And they have been doing this for centuries. There's a police outpost, and this is the track which goes towards the Naya Ghat. And the attraction in Naya Ghat is in the evening there is a aarti at this very spot. Yes, this is the place where the aarti is conducted. Yes, this is the spot. So this is a short tour. We started from Ahilya Holkar Mandir. We walked along Ram Ki Paidi, and here we are at Naya Ghat. To reach this place, you can take the road from top. You have got some amount of limited parking space on the road. Otherwise, you have to go a little further. This place is very active on Sundays. There is not even space to walk. Whereas on other days, it is like, okay, so. It's the middle of the afternoon at this point of time. And then on your way back,